A manual gearbox, or manual transmission, consists of several key components that work together to transfer power from the engine to the wheels. It is designed to allow the driver to manually select different gears. In this video, we are going to look at all the components of a manual gearbox and their functions. So, let's get started. Clutch assembly. Engages and disengages power flow from the engine to the gearbox, allowing smooth gear changes. Input shaft. Transmits engine torque into the gearbox. Output shaft. Transfers torque from the gearbox to the driveshaft or differential. Countershaft or lay shaft. Holds gears that are constantly meshed with input gears, allowing gear changes. Gears. Provide different speed-torque ratios by meshing different gear pairs. There are three types of gears: spur gears, helical gears, and bevel gears. Synchronizer assemblies. Match the speed of the gear and shaft for smooth, grind-free engagement. Gear selector forks. Move synchronizer sleeves to select the desired gear. Gear shift lever. Manual input for selecting gears through the shift pattern. Shift linkage. Transmits motion from the gear lever to the internal selectors. Support and housing components. Gearbox housing or transmission case. Encloses and protects all internal components from debris, moisture, and damage. Bearings and bushings. Support rotating shafts, reduce friction, and improve durability. Seals and gaskets. Prevent oil from leaking out of the transmission. Transmission mounts. Secure the gearbox to the vehicle frame while dampening vibrations. Inspection, drain or filler plug. Allow oil level checking, draining old oil, and adding new fluid. This was an overview of the key transmission components and their functions. Each component plays a critical role in facilitating smooth and efficient power transmission. If you found this video helpful, please like, share, comment, and subscribe for more technical insights. Thanks for watching.